All right.
All right.
So we have here the nominative, accusative, and possessive pronoun versions of I, you, he, and it and she.
Along with we, you, they, and you formal.
Yes. Ignore the dative and genitive. That is for another time.
So starting off talking about the nominative, these ich, du, er, sie, es, they all correlate to these. Wir, ihr, here, sie and sie, they all correlate to these. Nominative basically means that this is the subject. So I am the subject, you are the subject, and so on. These things that you're just gonna have to memorize and make a chart and figure it out.
Yes, it's practically like saying, or speaking in a normal sentence, like I did this today.
Right.
Whatever the German would be. And so accusative is when you're talking
and it's something is happening to that person. So if something is happening to yourself, you would say this, and then is happening to me, which means I. So we have an example over here for accusative. Over here is kennt mich, which means he knows me. The same thing for up here. We see nominative where we're talking about yourself. You say ich habe ein Auto, which means I have a car. So you are the subject and you have a car.
And verbs, as in, for instance, haben is the same as have or having. And for ich, you...
It changes for each one. There's a different video. It's called conjugation. It changes for each one.
And so wir haben, er hat, and ich habe, and so on.
Moving back to here, we move on to the possessive pronouns. So basically, this is possessive. Like this is mine. So I is mine. You is dine, and so on. They also change in accusative. The only difference in accusative is that for everything that's masculine, so everything that has a der in front of it, every word that has a der in front of it, will have an en, so it would be meinen instead. And if it's a plural, it's going to add an e, so it would be meine. So we have examples of those as well. We have mein Lieblingsfach ist Deutsch, which means my favorite subject is German. And you have another one over here. This is a feminine version of it. It's meine Mutti ist sehr nett. It means my mother is very nice.
Well, thank you, Zach.
Right, and then you're talking about yourself as the subject, and then you can move on to accusative, where it says hat meinen Vater. See, Vater is masculine, so you have en at the end. So he has my father.
That doesn't make sense.
And okay, instead of Vater, for instance, you could how ich habe ein Auto means I have a car. You could say that is my car, as in, or sorry, he has my car, as in hat meinen Auto.
Mm-hmm. Well, it wouldn't be meinen because it's das.
Yeah, mine, whatever. But yeah, basically, we just wanted to stray away from any confusion.
This one over here is actually Sie haben unser Auto. So if you come over here, unser means us or our. So this means they have our car. So same formula for that. And that's basically it. All you really need to do is memorize all the nominative cases, the accusative cases, and the possessive pronoun cases, and then just remember that it changes for accusative and it changes for plurals.
All right.